we are extremely shocked that despite having an opposition party ruling in the Karnataka government, we have had absolutely no strength, no assurance, no guarantees given from the Karnataka government that our right to vote will be protected. We have seen Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. We have seen how other opposition parties have run political campaigns, have gone to Supreme Court, have assisted voters, have done protests. They have done different types of things to oppose SIR, and not just oppose SIR, at the same time ensure that voters are assisted, voters get the relief they need, whether it's to extend deadlines, whether it's to include Aadhaar. These all happened because opposition parties in civil society opposed and engaged with the process. In Karnataka, we are not seeing that. So our press meet today was to raise alarm bells to the Karnataka Congress government and say that it is time you open your mouth, it is time you take a position to say that we are against this. More than 7 crore voters have been deleted across the country. In Karnataka, we are going to make sure that does not happen. And there are multiple ways that the Congress government must do it. First thing is we need information. Mapping, they are saying 67.2% of mapping is done. Where is the information? Where is the circular, notification, order, press release? Nothing. There is no document given from the CEO or the state government. The second thing we need is they need to call for a consultation and a meeting with civil society and political parties to ensure that our concerns regarding how the mapping is being done, our fears regarding how SIR has been implemented in other states are addressed. We don't want the same SIR that has been implemented there to come here. We want to ensure that no eligible voter gets deleted. Third thing is that the CEO, the Chief Electoral Officer here, must ensure that the BLOs are given time, are given sufficient training. They have not given any information in public. The only way we have learnt about what is happening in Karnataka is by talking to BLOs. What the BLOs are telling us is not a single written instruction is given. They have only got videos sent on WhatsApp groups that tell them how to do the mapping. Is that training? Is that sufficient? And won't it directly affect lakhs and crores of voters, the right to vote? So this is completely threatening our constitutional right to vote. This is completely putting at risk a right that is central to democracy, central to electoral democracy. It's the backbone of India's largest democracy that we claim. So our fight is going to, we are doing multiple awareness programs, we are doing multiple protests, we are trying to write regularly to the state government and the Chief Electoral Officer. There has been no response, but our efforts will go on. Now we are saying it is time the Congress government speaks up.